Hi, this is MarqueeCReW, and I'd like to show you using Enso how we can read a multi-header Excel file into this analytics tool so that we get a merged set of header records. We're actually going to take the first and second rows of data and concatenate them together. It takes a few components to be able to do that, but it's all a straightforward process. We're going to be able to furthermore show you how to turn that into a collapse component so that you could do this elsewhere with fewer componentry. So let's start by getting a data read of that Excel file in, and then we're going to read the sheet out there. This is a simple example, and we're going to take a look at that data and see that it's just as we had shown you before. Now let's collapse that, and we will now start the process of transformation. We're going to take those first two rows of data, and we're going to work on those together, and we're going to be able to go and transpose the data into name-value pairs, and then aggregate it so that we can concatenate the values together, and we'll use a space as a delimiter for that. You could use a dash or anything else you would like, but I think that a space works well because Enso will automatically trim those values when they come together. So now we've got the name value pairs for the headers. Let's go and skip or drop those first two records and take a look at the data. We're going to move these components over to the side. I like things a little bit neater. And we're going to now see that we've got A, B, C, D, E, and we're going to use a rename component to be able to take in that map of names. And there you see it. We've got the names just as we wanted. The first and second rows are being used to come together to be able to build our data. Now, if you'd like, let's collapse that together. Let's figure a way to go and take as a parameter the number 2, and as a parameter, we'll start off with a dash just so that you could see it in action. We're going to see using a parameter to be able to go and drive that and switch that back to a space and see that the name is updated in the final result just the way we want. We'll not select the parameters, but the components that we'd like to collapse, and we can collapse them into a single component or a widget that is now your multi-row read rename function. And so now I'm going to be able to go and say how many records, or how many rows are in that and what the delimiter I want to be for the value. And on output, it will do that same function. I think it's all pretty cool. Hope you like this. Cheers.